Sheriff Joe Arpaio shackled and paraded around downtown Phoenix. For now, it's a balloon-sized stunt, at least for the folks who were part of the Puente movement. They marched outside court today, waiting to hear if the sheriff will ever be told he'll be charged criminally. But tonight, those criminal contempt charges will have to wait. A federal judge putting off that decision as he works out other issues in the sheriff's huge racial profiling lawsuit. ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing was in the court today, and David, appears that even though the judge didn't make a final decision, he's dropping some big hints here that charges could be coming.
Yeah, Steve, throughout the day, Judge Murray Snow said in his view, civil penalties for Arpaio just didn't feel big enough. And he even raised the possibility that some other top staff and even one of Arpaio's former attorneys could be charged. This is Mel McDonald, Arpaio's personal criminal defense attorney. And Judge Snow told McDonald to be ready the day after he finalizes his plan to fix MCSO and compensate victims. So you don't think that's a signal of forthcoming criminal charges?
No, not at all. He's telling me to get ready, and I will be ready.
Arpaio and his attorney weren't the only ones put on notice today. Snow hinted that other top staff could be referred for charges as well. And that includes this woman, Michelle Ifredi, a former Arpaio attorney. Snow telling her, you better get a lawyer. Were you surprised by him calling you out in open court, telling you to get a lawyer?
Nothing surprises me in this case anymore.
2 weeks ago, Judge Snow found MCSO and its top leaders intentionally violated court orders made to stop racial profiling. And that means penalties, including a federal monitor taking over, a victim compensation fund, and making Arpaio personally pay for damages. Whatever the amount, the judge appears ready to make Arpaio pay up, and the sheriff's foes agree.
I want to make sure that the sheriff does have some skin in the game. It's ridiculous that the taxpayers have to foot the bill on a mistake that is caused by him.
So what's next? Well, both sides will submit more briefs over the next few weeks to figure out how to settle their differences and make things right for victims and fix MCSO. Now, once that's taken care of, then it appears that criminal charges could come. Downtown, Dave Biskobing, ABC 15 News.